Good morning, Namaskar, ma'am.
Good morning, Anna. Good morning, Anna.
Hello everyone, Namaskar and good morning. How are you all?
We are fine, ma'am. How are you?
I'm also fine. Okay, so can we start with class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let me tell you that as I discussed earlier, we are going to ask 5 chapters in term 1 exam. Can anyone tell me what we had completed in last period? Can anyone tell me what we had completed in last period? Which chapter is going on?
Ma'am, fourth chapter starts an object in verb.
Yes, we started 4 chapters and we completed that chapter. If I am not wrong then. Right? So let's do quick recap of that chapter. Chapter number 4. Everyone please reply what topics we covered in that chapter. So we can start textbook exercise. Hello, am I audible? Everybody please reply chapter number 4. Which topics we covered? If you have any doubt in any topic, then you can ask me.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Hanji.
Ma'am, we completed
beta.
the object. We completed the highlight still object.
Applying an inbuilt style. Acha, Khanak, you are in still standard 4?
No, ma'am.
Then please rename your name.
Okay, ma'am.
Hanji. So you can see many topics we covered in this chapter. We learn about different kind of styles. If you want to create a new textbook, then you can set some styles in style option, and then you can use that styles anytime. And the best use of this is that suppose that created style or ready-made style, that if I use 50 times in my textbook, then suppose if I want to change the color of that, suppose अगर मुझे ये जो headings है उनके colors change करने हैं, suppose if I want to change the color of this headings की ये जो brown color है उनकी जगह पे मुझे blue color करना है, then once I change in main style, it automatically change in all styles where I used. समझ में आया? मैंने डॉक्यूमेंट में जहां पे वो स्टाइल यूज की होगी उसमें ऑटोमेटिकली वो चेंज हो जाएगा. Getting? Yes, right? So let's start our topic. Objects that you already learn. You can insert any shape. You can insert text box, add any shape. You can crop a picture, and text wrapping option is also available. Anyone have any doubt in any topic? किसी को भी कुछ भी doubt है कोई भी topic में?
No, ma'am.
Have you? Okay. Have you really done the practice of these all options at home?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, well then, good. So let's start workout which is given on page number 43. Revati has mixed up the steps needed to create a new style. We want to create a new style, but see, mix this all steps. Now we have to give 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 steps. They are mixed. We have to give proper numbering of this. So can anyone solve this? To create a new style, first of all, which option we have to choose? Acha, I am giving 30 seconds to you think about this and then reply. Okay, ready? Steps are already given on page number, creating a new style. You can see page number 41. Steps are already given there. Are you able to see this? Page number 41. Steps are given there. Let me show you that. Here. Same to same you have to do copy. ठीक है? Same to same you have to do copy. Everybody, are you ready with the answers?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, well done. So can anyone reply your answer in chat box? Anyone? Same to same you have to do copy from there. See, for what is the creating a new style, page number 41. What is the next first step? I'm talking about you. Hanji, Hanji. So,
Can
you can, if you solve this, then you can reply here in chat box 2, 3, 5, 6, there's 1.
Ma'am, select
Two,
the steps to first. Click
I know,
on the
but if you
box launcher.
हाँ जी, मैं ये बोल रही हूँ बेटा कि अगर आपने सॉल्व कर लिया है तो यहाँ फर्स्ट का क्या आंसर होगा? 6 नंबर, बिकॉज ओके पे क्लिक हमें लास्ट में करना होगा. तो यू कैन रिप्लाई सीरीज इन चैट बॉक्स की 6, 3, 2, 5, 1, 6, 2, 1, 4, 3, 5. एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट आंसर खाना रंग पर दिया. वेरी नाइस, वेल डन, गुड जॉब. And next workout is now create your own style. Choose the formatting to make it attractive. Give it your name. आपका name एक format बना एक style बनानी है. In that you have to give your name in that style. Right? You can do this at home if you have a laptop. Then you have to do practice at home. Next, let's move towards the exercise. This will, next is workout. If you want to solve that workout, then you can do it at home, right? Design a page of book to teach basic shapes to child of class 1. Insert triangle, circle, rectangle and square on page. Insert their name within a shape. Make the name attractive by using word art. Okay, wow, very nice, word art से. जो फर्स्ट स्टैंडर्ड के किड्स है उनके लिए आप मैथ्स का क्लास ले रहे हो ऐसा कर लेना है, राइट? एंड वो आपको कंप्यूटर में स्टडी करवाना है सिर्फ, एंड से आपको उनका स्पेलिंग भी यहाँ पे लिखना है. सो यू कैन डू इट, राइट? सो इफ यू वांट टू टेक अ प्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ दिस, इसका प्रेजेंटेशन अगर आपको बनाना है देन यू कैन मेक इट. आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट प्रेजेंटेशन इन पावर पॉइंट, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट इन वर्ड ओनली. Now try to solve this. Write the commands for the icon. Choose from the box. You have to choose what is the use of this from this box. Can anyone tell me what is the answer of first one? Reply your answers in chat box only. Okay, let me give the name of this also. Shape fill को हम A name दे देंगे. Shape outline B, text effect C, create a new style D, word art E and dialog box F. ठीक है? So first आप मैचिंग की तरह भी आप उसको कर सकते हो. So what is the answer of first one? Have you seen this kind of symbol anywhere? If you don't, Then let me show you where is Word. Yes, Word document is here. You can see this symbol is available in all options. Okay, if you want to see more about that font, then you have to click here. If you want to see more about paragraph, then you can see. Then what is the new name of this option? Okay, what is the name of this option? When I explain at that time, I use that word. Acha, don't know? It's okay. Chalo, second one, what is the answer of second one? A and then arrow. Can anyone? If you don't know answer of word art. No, beta, this is wrong answer. Let me show you on my screen so you try to remember this. A and then dot. See, you can see symbol of word art is here. Here in page layout, this symbol is available in page layout. Once I click on this, you can see many options are there. Office 2, Calibri, Office, Classic, Arial, Apex, Aspect, font and styles are given there. So correct answer for the second one is create a new style. No. अच्छा, what जिसका भी आंसर आपको पता है that you can send in chat box, so बाकी के हम डिस्कस कर सके. What is the answer of sixth one? Six. You can type A, B, C, D like this, so we can discuss answer in chat box. 5 word art, absolutely correct answer. चलिए 5 word art. So I am cutting this. Next. 6 shape fill. हाँ जी, correct. Then correct, then next please. Let me show you the new style. When you create a new style at that time, which kind of symbol will appear. See, new style, symbol for the new style, double A, and then what is that? Double A. Okay. Are you able to find the symbol there in textbook? Here it is, might be double A. So this is the correct answer of third one. Third one, creating the new style. बेटा, this is called dialog box launcher. First one जो है मैंने आपको मेरे screen में भी दिखाया. That is called dialog box launcher. Second is for the text effect. मैंने जब अभी ही आपको दिखाया. If you want to give any text image, then you have to go in page layout. You can see inbuilt some styles are given. You can choose any style from there. Next, create a new style that I already show you, and then shape outline. Okay, this is used for shape outline, and this is for the word art, and this is for the shape fill. Now next is filling the blanks that will read by rest all students. Be ready with the answers. G Lagola, start reading this blanks, and rest all students, you have to reply your answers in chat box. I am muting myself, so voice will come to you properly, and you have to read till 5. Okay, are you ready, Jill?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay.
When you open a new document, is the formatted according to the style by default?
Hello, beta. Do continue reading.
Yeah.
Do continue reading. You have to read till 5.
Insert a symbol not present in the keyboard, you will go to the tab dash group. Third one, in Word movie clip and sound clip are fourth one. A dash is a placeholder for the placing text. Fifth one, when you click on an object with the word, a new dash tab appears.
Have you done this, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, everyone try to reply answers. जिसका आंसर आपको पता है वो आप पहले भेज सकते हो. First symbol, no wrong answer. Yes, absolutely correct. Correct answer, Khanak Rangpariya. First one's answer is normal. Okay, now next. Hello, options are already given here. You can see. To insert a symbol not present in keyboard, you will go to the. अगर आपकी टेक्स्ट बुक में अच्छा, there are one mistake in your textbook. Not mistake, but in second there are two answers. अगर आपको कोई symbol add करना है which is not given in your textbook, then simple you have to go in insert. Once you click on insert, you see symbols option are here. From this you can add any symbols, right? Suppose I'm clicking here, then inserting. Oh, this is the symbol. This is also symbol. So correct answer of second one is, here you can write, to insert a symbol not present in keyboard, you will go to insert tab and symbols group. So second one's answer is insert and symbol. Third one's answer is, two answers are there. Third one, object. Yes, correct answer, Khanak. Third one, object. Now fourth one. No, fourth one's correct answer is text, because a dash is the placeholder for placing the text. They are talking about text, so you have to choose this text box. To hold for placing the text, right? If you want to place text, then you have to use text box. When you click on the object in Word, the new dash tab appears. जब भी आप ऑब्जेक्ट के ऊपर क्लिक करेंगे, सपोज मैं आपको मेरी स्क्रीन में दिखा रही हूँ, आई एम आउटसाइड ऑफ दिस ऑब्जेक्ट, राइट? यू कैन सी हियर व्यू टैब, home, insert, page layout, reference, mailing, review, until view tabs are available here. Once I click on this text box, you can see format option is available. Format option normally available नहीं होता है, but if you are choosing any object, if you are creating any object, if you inserted any object in Word document and once you click on this, you can see format option is available there. अगर आप क्रिएट करते हो कोई ऑब्जेक्ट तो ही. नेक्स्ट, श्लोक गल्टार, प्लीज रीड दिस. क्लिक एंड करेक्ट आंसर. आई एम म्यूटिंग माई सेल्फ. रेस्ट ऑल स्टूडेंट्स बी रेडी विद द आंसर.
When you click on an object in Word, need dash tab open.
Okay, do continue reading till 5 बेटा, ठीक है? हेलो बेटा, आपको 5 तक रीड करना है. Okay, dear, start reading. Might be he has a network.
Ma'am, can you send me picture in WhatsApp group?
To see the preview. To see the preview of a style, select the
Ma'am, can you send the
text
picture?
and dash the style. Preview of style. To create a new button style, click on the dash button in the style group. Third, a new style appears in the dash. Fourth, to modify a style, dash on the style in the style gallery. Fifth one, each of these is an object in Word.
Okay, thank you so much, beta. To see the preview of a style, select the text and dash the style. Let me show you. Suppose I am here in this style. So preview this style. Okay, so you can see when you create a new style or whenever you are using any style at that time, you can see preview here. So this is called hover over, which is not given in your textbook. The correct answer is hover over. Okay, let me show you. I'm selecting this, right? I'm giving selecting this, and then see, I'm clicking on anyone. Then you can see preview here. Called hover over. Understood, everyone? Okay, what is the answer of second one? To create a new style, we have to go in dialog box launcher, which is available here. Okay? Next, please. Third, fourth, and fifth, try to solve it. न्यू स्टाइल appear in once you create a new style. अब जैसे ही यहाँ पे नई स्टाइल क्रिएट करते हो, जैसे हम लोगों ने एक स्टाइल क्रिएट की थी NEGS करके, that style, let me create a new style now only. NEGS, ठीक है, जो भी स्टाइल है वो मैं अभी रहने दे रही हूँ. Okay, then you can see new style, you can see here, and this is called style gallery. ये स्टाइल गैलरी है. सो करेक्ट आंसर ऑफ थर्ड वन इज स्टाइल गैलरी. टू मॉडिफाई अ स्टाइल डैश ऑन स्टाइल इन स्टाइल गैलरी. अगर हमें स्टाइल मॉडिफाई करनी है तो वी हैव टू डू क्लिक, राइट क्लिक ऑन दिस, राइट, एंड विच ऑफ दिस इज एन ऑब्जेक्ट इन वर्ड. ऑल ऑफ दिस ऑल आर ऑब्जेक्ट, दिस ऑल आर द ऑब्जेक्ट विच इज अवेलेबल इन वर्ड. अच्छा, क्लिप पार्ट आपको नहीं पता होगा. लेट मी शो यू क्लिप पार्ट. वंस यू क्लिक ऑन insert, you can see clip art option is there. Once I click on clip art, you can see one. Are you able to see this? Are you able to see this properly? It is coming black, I hope. Okay?
Yes.
So whatever shapes you want, that you can type here. Rectangle. So clip art will appear there. Okay, and then go. I type rectangle and then go. Once I click there, you can see many options are available there. From this, you can choose any one. आपको जो भी चूज करना है वो यहाँ से ऐसे ड्रैग कर लो. ठीक है? If you want to choose this one, then you can drag it here. ठीक है? ऐसे रेडीमेड बहुत सारे शेप्स अवेलेबल है. जो भी शेप आपको चाहिए वो यहाँ टाइप कर सकते हो. दिस इज रिलेवेंट टू मैथ. अगर मैथ्स के टीचर को प्रेजेंटेशन बना रहे हैं, देन दे कैन यूज दिस. Okay, whatever you want to type, then you can type it. Woman. Once I click on woman, you can see many women are available here. From this, you can type anyone. Okay. Okay, let me close this.
Ma'am,
Okay, you have to complete.
question answer.
No, questions we are not going to discuss now. Let me complete syllabus, and then if we have time, then we will discuss in last. But I will share the question answer with you in PDF. So if you want to read, then scholar students can read. Okay, let's talk about cloud computing. Cloud computing also I will discuss in last. बस आपको इतना समझना है कि we have computers and we have limited space in computer, right? But if we buy more space in computer, then we require more money and it is very expensive. So एक cloud computing करके option है, उसमें आप जितनी space use करेंगे उतना ही pay करना होगा, right? Okay, can we start next chapter? We have 10 minutes. In 10 minutes, we can learn lots of things, right? But before we start that class, it's time for the attendance. So everyone, please reply your roll numbers in chat box. First, roll number 1 to 15. This is fifth C or D? C class, I guess.
No, ma'am, it
Okay.
is A class.
Okay. Today's date is 9 and 8. Okay. Roll number 5. Then 3. 3, 4, 2, 12, 13. Okay, 16 and onwards, send your roll numbers quickly. 18, 16, 16, okay. 15, done. 14, done. 7, done. 14, done. 18, okay. 18, done. Rest all students, please send your roll number quickly. 7 is already done, beta. Don't send two times. 17 students are here and I'm getting roll number of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 students roll number I get only. Okay, Vishwa. Okay. Now we have 10 minutes and I am going to start chapter number 5, tables in Word. Right? So how can we create a table in Word? So simple, I am opening any Word file. I am deleting this all things. Achha. Whatever is available here, that. And to create a new table, I have to click on the insert. Once I click on insert, you can see table option is available there. Are you able to see in my screen? Table. Once I click on table, you can see rows and columns are available here. आपको जितनी भी rows and columns चाहिए, you can select it from here. ठीक है, पता है ना row and column किसे बोलते हैं? 7 by 7, 3 by 2. Okay, I'm just clicking here and you are able to see this is my table and it is so small, so I am dragging it from here. Okay, ऐसे करके drag कर लेते हैं and some data is given there. That data I am typing. If I have ready-made some data in Excel, then I am doing copy the data. So no need to type anything. Copy and paste. ठीक है, मैंने थोड़ा कोई डेटा लेके उनको कॉपी कर दिया है यहाँ पे, बिकॉज वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न. Now, if I want to change the size of this, then just select this, go in Home, Calibri, and then Size. 48 is too big. 36 is visible to everyone, I guess. Okay?
Yes.
So this we learn. Now you can see in your textbook, page number 50. All alignments are center, so you can set alignments from here. यहाँ से आप ऐसे alignment set कर सकते हो. So first option is using the table grid. आपको पता है रो किससे कहते हैं, कॉलम किससे कहते हैं? This is row.
Yes. Yes.
ठीक है, this is row and this is column. This red is column. ठीक है, this is column. Okay, so we learn about how to create a table by using grid. Now second option is insert. Once I click on insert, you can see insert table option is there. But before we start to create the table, let's go on next page. Okay, I'm clicking on insert table. You can see insert table option is there. From this number of columns, how many columns you require? See in your textbook, page number 50. How many columns are there? I'm talking about here, beta. How many columns are there?
6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay,
6.
so I'm typing 6. And how many rows are there? 5, I guess.
5.
So 5 I'm typing there. And then fixed column width, auto fit to contained, auto fit to window. From this I'm choosing this one now and then giving OK. Once I click there, you can see मैं जैसे कुछ भी टाइप करूंगी वो उनके हिसाब से अपनी साइज सेट करेगा. सी, ठीक है, वॉट एवर आई एम टाइपिंग उनके हिसाब से वो साइज सेट करेगा. बिकॉज हियर वी चूज 6 column width. If I choose auto fit to contain, then you can see अगर मैं ये चूज करती हूँ कि auto fit to contain, let me change the size of this. ठीक है, मैंने इसकी साइज चेंज कर दी. अब आई एम सिलेक्टिंग दिस, आई एम जस्ट क्लिकिंग हियर. आर यू एबल टू सी दिस प्लस सिंबल? आई एम जस्ट गोइंग देयर and then auto fit to contained. I'm clicking on auto fit to contained, तो ये स्पेस चली जाएगी. फिर साइज डेस्कटॉप की जो मैक्सिमम साइज थी वो साइज उन्होंने ले ली. लैपटॉप की जो मैक्सिमम साइज थी वो उन्होंने ले ली. इसमें फेब्रुआरी सबसे बड़ी, सबसे ज्यादा बड़ा वर्ड है तो उनकी मैक्सिमम साइज उसने ले ली. समझ में आया? नेक्स्ट ऑप्शन इज ऑटो फिट टू विंडो. ठीक है, सपोज ये टेबल इतना छोटा मैं बना दूं. ठीक है, ये टेबल इतना छोटा सा मैंने बना दिया. नाउ वी हैव दिस स्पेस, यहाँ पे स्पेस है. इफ आई चूज दिस ऑप्शन ऑटो फिट टू विंडो, देन यू कैन सी ये जो मेरी विंडो थी उसके हिसाब से उन्होंने अपने आप सेट कर लिया. नेक्स्ट इज ऑटो फिट टू कॉलम विड्थ. कॉलम विड्थ के ऊपर क्लिक करेंगे तो कॉलम की जो विड्थ है उनके हिसाब से वो सेटअप कर लेगा. आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पे ब्लैंक टेबल दिया हुआ है एंड यू कैन एंटर अ डेटा लाइक दिस. आप ऐसे डेटा एंटर कर सकते हो. नाउ हाउ टू टाइप दिस? सपोज अगर मुझे यहाँ पे टाइप करना है, लेट मी ड्रैग एंड मेक इट बिग. ठीक है, आई एम सिलेक्टिंग दिस एंड गिविंग साइज बिग सो यू आर एबल टू डू वर्क ऑन दिस. Suppose if you want to type anything, yes, you can create a timetable in this. If you want to type anything downside, then you can use this arrow key. Left side, for left side you can use this. ठीक है, ऐसे करके आप बना सकते हो. So edit a table. अगर आपको वो टेबल में कुछ रो एंड कॉलम्स चाहिए, सपोज यहाँ पे जनवरी, फरवरी, मार्च, आई एम डिलीटिंग अप्रैल, मई एंड जून. ठीक है, I forgot to add marge here. Suppose अगर मुझे यहाँ पे add करनी है एक line, then just do right click and then insert. Once you click on insert, they are asking insert column to left. आपको row आएगा ना, insert row. Insert column to left. Once you click on this, you can see left side में column add हो गई. I'm just doing Control Z. Insert column right side. अगर मैं इसके ऊपर क्लिक करूंगी तो right side एक column add हो जाती है. I'm just clicking insert row below. ठीक है. Once I click on this, मैं यहाँ पे थी तो below मतलब नीचे की side एक row open add हो गई. And insert, where is this? Yes, insert row above. Once I click on this, you can see one row is added there. So you can insert row and columns like this. ठीक है. One more option is available there. अगर मैं ये टेबल के ऊपर क्लिक करती हूँ, see, I'm outside of the table. मैं टेबल के बाहर हूँ अभी. ठीक है. Then you can see view तक ही options available है. ठीक है. Till view. आपको दिख रहा है स्क्रीन में व्यू तक ही ऑप्शन अवेलेबल है. ठीक है. बट वंस आई क्लिक इन द टेबल, जैसे ही मैं टेबल के ऊपर क्लिक करती हूँ, डिजाइन एंड लेआउट, टू ऑप्शंस आर देयर, डिजाइन एंड लेआउट. ठीक है. फ्रॉम डिजाइन, वंस यू क्लिक ऑन डिजाइन, यू कैन सी मेनी ऑप्शंस आर अवेलेबल देयर. एंड इफ यू क्लिक ऑन दिस लेआउट, देन फ्रॉम लेआउट जो हमने ऑप्शंस राइट क्लिक करके यहाँ पे जो प्लस की साइन है वहां से राइट क्लिक करके चूज किए थे, सेम ऑप्शंस आर अवेलेबल देयर. इंसर्ट बिलो, इंसर्ट लेफ्ट, इंसर्ट राइट, मर्ज सेल, स्प्लिट सेल, मेनी ऑप्शंस आर अवेलेबल देयर, राइट. यू कैन यूज दैट ऑप्शंस आल्सो. ठीक है. अगर आपको इसकी विड्थ एंड हाइट चेंज करनी है तो आप यहाँ से चेंज कर सकते हो. देखिए मैंने जनवरी में क्लिक किया है तो जनवरी की विड्थ 5.78 सेंटीमीटर है. उसको मैं चेंज करके इसकी विड्थ कर देती हूँ 7. ठीक है. देन यू कैन सी इसकी साइज बढ़ गई. नाउ इसकी विड्थ कर देते हैं 5, नॉट 5, 6. so you can see the difference. ठीक है. concentrate here. तो इसकी विड्थ भी चेंज हो गई. so you can change height and width by using this. Rest all options we will learn in next period. You have to do practice of this all options at home. Yes, Vishwa, we can create a table by using this. But one more option is available to create a table, that is Excel. ठीक है. Okay, so which topics we learn to create a table? By using grid. यहाँ पे ग्रिड है, इंसर्ट में जाके वहां से आप क्रिएट कर सकते हो. ठीक है. ब्लैंक टेबल, देखिए मेरा कर्सर यहाँ पे था तो ब्लैंक टेबल यहाँ पे आ गया. फिर आप राइट डाउन एरो की से आप टाइप कर सकते हो, राइट. देन इंसर्ट रोज एंड कॉलम्स. आपको अगर यहाँ पे रो एंड कॉलम इंसर्ट करनी है देन यू हैव टू डू जस्ट राइट क्लिक, राइट. इफ यू वांट टू डिलीट दिस देन सेम थिंग यू कैन डू. जस्ट क्लिक हियर, right click here and then delete cell from this entire row. I am deleting this entire row. Then they are considered this is as a table. अगर मैं यहाँ पे क्लिक करके डिलीट करती हूँ तो पूरी रो डिलीट हो जाएगी. ठीक है. You can do like this. Okay, next rest all options we will learn in next period. Okay, bye. Have a nice day.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.